Hey everyone, Mark here at Seaway Hyundai again. Welcome back to our virtual showroom. Got another really nice one, Chevy Trax LT. Should see some of the standard features in this little guy. I was even amazed. I couldn't believe it. So again, I'll show you some of the interior features. We'll do a quick walk around the outside. It is a local trade. Happy to have it. Priced well. It's the LT model, so a little bit more than let's call it the LS. You got nice alloy wheels. You got the side rails, so you always put a cross rails on there if you have a little, maybe, I don't know if they make a ski box, but must be something you can throw up there if you had to. Again, overall, very nice shape. A couple scuffs here and there, but it is a 2013. Glass is in nice shape. Roof's in nice shape, no discoloration or anything like that. Decent sized trunk for a compact SUV. So you can see right here, keep some mats back here, keep them clean. Got a little privacy cover as well, which can be removed if you need some additional storage space. So you can take that out. You also have anchors on the seats, so if you have any child seats, you can definitely lock those in there. Make sure you take those out before you fold the seats. Don't want to fold the kids as well. But it is all here. So you got some extra cargo space, you got anchors for the kids. Versatile, and that's what we always like to look for. And that's what I like to show. So there's some of the questions we definitely get asked. Can this fold down? Is there anchors? Because those are the important things in life. Okay, nice cloth seat. You got some cup holders here which can fold out or fold in if you have a fifth passenger. You got a 120 volt down there. As you can see, carpets are in nice shape. You got power windows in the rear. Move up to the front here. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You have locking rear windows as well. Bose sound system. That's a plus. A Bose sound system. Lumbar support, power lumbar support. You have an adjustable seat. You can move it front to back, move the back part as well, and lumbar, which is kind of nice. Automatic headlights. You can adjust your interior illumination. Oh, I'm gonna jump in. Nice leather wrapped steering wheel. You got all your cruise control on the left hand side, your Bluetooth hands-free calling on the right hand side. So again, nice standard features at the tip of your hands. Air conditioning, front rear defrost, very easy to use. Traction control, which is right here, hazards. Again, easy and well thought out. And that's what it's all about. Nice touch screen right here with, of course, good size backup camera. Go to the home screen here. See what else we got. So there's for your Bluetooth. And lots of cool different things, so play around in it. I am not an expert at the touch screen, but it is here, so some fun things. So Bose sound system, definitely a nice upgrade. Nice cloth seats, no rips or tears or cuts in the dash. Good kilometers for a 2013, below average. So really don't miss out on this one. It is a nice little vehicle. Got everything you need. Fuel efficient, 4-cylinder. Call, text, or email us if you have any questions. As always, you can shop 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com for all your new and pre-owned vehicle needs. Any service needs and parts needs as well. We forgot to mention that. And guys and girls, make sure you follow us on Facebook. We're always doing tons of free giveaways. So whether you're in the market or not, it pays to follow us on Facebook. We're always throwing up not only some really cool vehicles and specials, but also cool giveaways. So if you like free stuff, make sure you follow us. We'll see you soon.